Hi Air Sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Tignan natin kung ano ang iyong sitwasyon na mai-encounter or na-encounter. Alamin natin ang iyong energy, Air Sign. Ano ang iyong energy? Just a reminder, this is a general reading, so this may or may not resonate with you, so don't take it personally. This is just a guide. Air sign, ano ang iyong energy? Give me your energy. Air sign. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. You have 3 of Pentacles. Queen of Cups. 9 of Wands. 7 of Swords. Queen of Swords. Air sign, there's an earth sign involved with Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. There's a water sign with Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. There's a fire sign with Wands, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. And there's an air sign with Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Air sign, parang there is someone na later niya na-realize kung gaano ka-importante sa buhay niya. There's someone appreciate you, admires you. Nakikita niya yung potential mo, yung pagiging blooming mo as ikaw. Kasi parang ikaw yung tipo ng tao na maaaring sa unang tingin, hindi napansin, pero later on, pag nakasama mo, parang mas kumaganda, mas nagiging blooming, mas nakikita mo yung intelligence ng air sign. Parang may humahanga sa'yo, may nag-a-admire. At some point, this person is trying hard kung paano ka makausap, paano kayo magkaroon ng communication. Kasi you have the 7 of Swords, air sign, meaning to say your person is stalking you. Parang making a way to communicate with you. Queen of Swords, a strong communication. Diba? Wala na siyang patumpik-tumpik pa. Pinag-isipan niya mabuti kung anong gusto niyang gawin, ano ang dapat niyang gawin para magkaroon lang kayo ng contact sa isa't isa. Siguro matagal na panahon ka na niyang ini-stalk or tinitingnan yung social media mo nang hindi mo alam, pinagtatanong ka sa iba, inaalam kung ano yung status mo. This is something na yung person na ito gusto kang makilala ng lubusan. Even though mahirap, maraming pagsubok na pagdadaanan niya, your person is willing to pursue you. Iba kasi yung nakikita niya sa'yo. Iba yung aura, yung positivity na nakikita niya sa energy mo, air sign. And this is something na hindi siya makaget over. Hindi siya makaget over kasi gusto kanya makausap. Gusto niya masabi yung nararamdaman niya para sa'yo. Gusto niya malaman mo na this person really appreciate you. Really admires you. Tingnan natin, air sign. Page of Pentacles. The Hermit. Knight of Cups. 3 of Cups. And Death. Air sign, there's a new opportunity para sa iyo. 3 of Pentacles and Page of Cups. Someone admires you and this person will give you this kind of opportunity. Kung ano man yung opportunity na yan, ibibigay ito sa'yo ng tao dahil na-appreciate ka niya. Kung ano yung energy mo, kung ano yung nagagawa mo sa buhay mo ngayon. You have Queen of Cups and strong Virgo sign. Diba? Your person realizes how much this person appreciate you. Ngayon niya na napagtanto kung gaano ka ka-importante sa buhay niya, kung gaano ka kahalaga, kung gaano kanya kamahal. Sobra yung feelings niya sa ngayon. Kasi 9 of Wands and Knight of Cups, hindi niya na makontain yung nararamdaman niya. Pinipilit niyang kayanin na i-hide yung feelings niya pero hindi niya magawa-gawa. Kaya Knight of Cups, this person will offer you an love. Maaaring mag-propose siya, manligaw, mag-offer ng date. I'm seeing here this person will take action towards you, air sign. You have 7 of Wands and 3 of Cups. Usually, this is a kind of situation na cheating, betrayal, third-party situation. Pero I'm seeing here in your energy, your person is stalking you. And once na mutual ang feelings nyo sa isa't isa, there's a celebration. Kung mutual ang feelings nyo. Pero kung siya lang yung nagmamahal ng sobra, then ikaw wala, then alam mo na may ending sa inyong connection. Pero yung person mo, parang positive thinker. Alam niya na mutual ang feelings nyo sa isa't isa. Nakakaramdam siya, nakaka-feel siya. Kaya, your person will take action, will communicate to have a new beginning with you. Diba? Gusto niya to eh. Ito yung plano niya. Ito yung nais niya. To have a new beginning with you. Siguro may mga bagay sa inyong connection ng person na ito na hindi naging maganda yung simula. Diba? Yung story nyo, maaaring may napagdaanan kayo na sa simula, hindi okay. Pero along the way, na-realize niya yung importansya mo, kahalagahan mo, na-appreciate niya yung pagkatao mo, air sign, doon niya na-realize na hindi na siya magpapatumpik-tumpik, hindi na siya magpapadala sa kakaantay sa wala. Diba? Your person is making a move, taking action, want to say something to you, air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, to have a new beginning with you. To have this kind of celebration, happiness. Ayaw niya na nag-stalk siya, nag-aantay sa wala. This person will make a move. Alamin natin. Kasi, you know what? Air sign, this person realizes how much he or she really cares for you. Tignan natin, air sign. Ano mo masasabi ng angel guide sa iyong energy? Air sign. Take action. Diba? Make a move. Forgiveness. Gaya na sabi ko, kung ano yung napagdaanan nyo from the past, nasaktan ka man ng person na ito, try to forgive. It's say no. A year from now, and within the next few weeks, that's very enlightening. Kasi siguro sa ngayon, it's say no, pero a year from now, and within the next few weeks, there is something na mangyayari sa inyong connection. Maybe, if someone decides to take action, diba? If you will not take action, then walang mangyayari sa inyong connection. Kaya, take action. Ang sabi ng angel guide. Tingnan natin ang oracle. Air sign. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. A fiery climax approaches. So, intense. Intense ang dating. May magkakaaminan, may magkakalabasan ng nararamdaman, malapit na approaches, meaning to say, within the next few weeks. The energy is gaining momentum. Nag-iipon lang ng lakas ng loob yung person na ito. Unti-unti. Pag nag-trigger na yung sign na this is it, your person will take action towards you. Balance is spirituality, practicality. Diba? Make a plan. Masama ang sobra at masama rin ang kulang. Kailangan balanse ang lahat para hindi ka nasasaktan. Look at the bigger picture and hold your vision. Air sign, tingin ko kung if you are willing to have a connection with this person, di ba? Try to look at the bigger picture. Tignan mo yung mga sitwasyon sa inyong, kanya-kanya yung buhay na makakaapekto sa inyong connection. And hold your vision because there's an energy na parang nag-iipon lang ng lakas ng loob. Pero one day, pag okay na, handa na siya, this person will make a move. A year from now, there is something na maaaring mangyari or ma-encounter mo, and within the next few weeks, there is something going on between you and this person, your connection sa isa't isa, there is something sa inyong energy. So, thank you, air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you, air sign.